Create stunning professional design presentations without workarounds thanks to Archicad's powerful out-of-the-box presentation tools. Apply the same high-resolution surface textures on 2D views that you already use in 3D. In this example, the surfaces are represented with the Surface Color Fill option. Let's see how we can make this view more appealing by using the enhanced settings under the Model Appearance section. Apply the Non-Shaded Surface Texture Fill option. In addition to the stone cladding, wooden, concrete, and other surfaces, the glazed curtain wall is also worth experimenting with. It applies a texture with an image of the cloudy sky. Apply soft shading and vectoral cover fills on top of the textures to create spectacular sections and elevations. Create a sense of depth by fading distant parts of the building. Draw attention to what's important in the foreground by checking the Fade Distant Elements checkbox. Select the Shaded Texture Fill option and turn on the shadows. For an even more restrained view of the background elements, display the distant elements with no textures and shadows, but with their contours only. Create vivid interior elevations with realistic details using the same presentation tools. Customize the direction of the sunlight to apply the most appropriate shadows. Use surface-based fills to heighten the look of your design documentation. Access and apply surface textures using fills. Choose the surface type fill and select one of the 3 surface-related display options: Color, Cover, or Texture Fill. Modify the alignment of the pattern as you would with any other fill. Use the surface type fills to experiment with and present multiple design options in various sections, elevations, and floor plans without changing the elements themselves. Create high-impact design documentation with Archicad's powerful out-of-the-box presentation tools. To learn more about Archicad, visit graphisoft.com.